Hello, this is Bill with the Fuzzy Bunny Butt Railroad. I seen somebody else do this online and I thought it was the best idea I've ever seen. Using a Ryobi sander, cut a hole in a flat car, used this tool to get the height of it, and actually this way, get the height of it where I wanted it to be, and then put it down on the thing, on the flat, and I just drew it out and I cut it. I'm gonna fix the edges a little bit. I just got done this, but yeah, here's the bottom of it. Glued all the sides in so it's got extra support. So when I cut this down, I cut it in small increments because I wanted it to fit tightly. You just have to fit it up through the bottom. But when it's sitting here like this, it doesn't want to move at all. The sandpaper is pretty much stuck on the track, but turn it on. Get any engine just to push it. It'll clean your track. Look at that. Track is completely clean in one pass. And I don't know, today I bought these 2 batteries for 79 bucks. They got a sale and I got that for free. It's today at the HD. I don't know how long that's gonna work, but these are the tools and this is what I did. So I made sure that the battery was directly center, because that's your heaviest point, is the battery right in the center. And I wanted the sander up closer to the wheels up here, because on tight curves, I want the track to still be sanded. So that's the only way you could do it with this long, flat car. But I think this is the only way to do it, having a long, flat car, to get the sander up close to the wheels and then the battery dead center. I think I may put a little weight on the front and back just to hold the wheels down. I don't know. Maybe make it look like some kind of motor, you know, some freight or whatever, some construction equipment. But yeah, this thing works good. And I was just using the sandpaper that came with it just for a test. I'm gonna get super fine wet sandpaper, and then probably just put a little WD-40 on it to help polish the tracks. But you don't want to sand the track, it'll sand the brass down. You just want to polish it with very, very, very fine wet sandpaper. But this is a test. I think it works great. I'm going to clean up some of the cuts and weather it and detail it. I think I may even paint the green, make it look somewhat like a railroad piece of machinery instead of a tool. All right, guys, thanks. See ya.